one of the sessions of the Asia Product Development Conference, we collaborated with Twilio, creating a webinar related to building better products, entitled Unlock the Power of Your Customer Data with Twilio Segment. In the session, we learned how its customer engagement platform could help you to unlock the power of customer data and build products that stick. So, here are some of the highlights from the session.
Now, the quality of your campaigns, the quality of your analytics, the quality of the product that you build is only going to be as good as the quality of your data. So whilst we're helping you to connect data from all of these disparate sources, it's important that this data is governed, meaning that it's consented, it's compliant, it's consistent and well controlled. We then help you to synthesize this data, so unifying user profiles into that one single customer view. How do we help to enrich this user profile, build audiences and cohorts, and then ultimately activate on this first-party customer data across any channel of choice? In a segment, we believe that customer data platforms empower every team. From the engineering perspective, how do we help your engineers to focus on core products and personalized experiences, not mundane ETL work? For the marketers, how do we help you to analyze and optimize campaign to determine which one is the most effective? So do really granular and accurate marketing attribution, but then also activate on channel of your choice. For analytics teams, how do we help you to understand the complete customer journey whilst trusting that your data is accurate? And for products, build sticky products and improve product engagement. So at Segment, we understand that the number one goal for any product team is to build the best products possible and identify product market fit. And so that means that users enjoy your product experience. And that naturally translates to higher rates of product adoption and ultimately exponential product growth. But this can be very challenging for product teams because, again, data is often siloed across the business. There's no single view of the customer. And so it makes it really difficult for a product manager and product teams to prioritize what should be on the product roadmap, what features should we be releasing next, what do our customers want, and ultimately to personalize experiences as well. And so where Segment comes in to help. So firstly, the ability to collect from every data source across every platform and channel, online and offline. The ability to process this data to ensure that the data you use is clean and reliable enough to power critical business functions, not only for analytics purposes, but for other purposes like, increasing customer retention rates by triggering the right customer journeys at the right point in time as well. You need clean, reliable data to execute on those campaigns. How do we help you to aggregate data? So turning these raw data points into insights, into a central repository of traits and audiences for different teams to use. And ultimately activate across all of the best-in-class systems and tools that your company uses in real time. We've actually worked with a lot of various cryptocurrency businesses, but one of the biggest success cases with Segment is Crypto.com. So Crypto.com had the goal to activate more new users and retain users with the right platform features. To do this, they needed more visibility around its user behavior across the customer lifecycle. And that's where Segment came in to help. With Twilio Segment connections and protocols, Crypto.com now has a single view of the customer across web and mobile, and much more simplified data collection and tag or SDK management. So this benefits the engineering team with the simplified data collection. This benefits the product team with more data and a unified user view. And so the outcome is basically rich data across all platforms unified into a single view. And that means that product teams can pivot the product roadmap based on what customers are demanding. It means that marketers can create really targeted campaigns and engineers save a ton of time as well.
Find out more about Twilio through this link.